All right. Welcome to 9 Dimes Project. Credit cards, your secret weapon or your downfall. This is our third video in the series of credit, building your credit. So credit cards are tools, but they're dangerous in the wrong hands, powerful in the right hands. In this finale of Credit Score Mastery, we're going to cover, well, we've covered why credit scores matter and how to build credit score from zero in the previous videos. You can go back and watch those. Building credit with authorized user status or secured cards. Pay them in full every month. All of that. Now, should we even use credit cards? They, like I said, they can be powerful but dangerous in the wrong hands. Why are they dangerous? They feel like free money, but they're not. The average credit card debt in America is $6,000 or more per person. Average interest rate is 20 to 25% APR, which is outrageous. $5,000 balance at 22% APR, annual percentage rate, and minimum payments only equals 15 years to pay off, and more than $10,000 paid. And most people can't handle them. They can't handle them because they don't have the education. That's why we're here for you. How credit cards can make you money. Cash back, 1 to 5% back on purchases. For example, $1,000 a month spending times 2% cash back equals $240 a year. Not too shabby. Travel rewards, free flights, hotels, sign up bonuses, $200 to $500 for spending $500 to $1,000 in the first 3 months. Now, you could get these bonuses, type bonuses, depending on what kind of credit card you have. But it's only if you pay in full every month, keeping your credit in good standing. The one rule that changes everything: pay in full every month. No minimum payment, not most of it, the full balance. If you can't do this, cut the card, cancel it. The 30% utilization rule: never use more than 30% of your limit for each card. So if you have $1,000 credit card, don't use more than $300 on it. Keep your credit score high. It keeps your credit score high. It shows lenders you don't need all your available credit. So the credit card strategy is you can use credit cards for anything and everything, keeping the utilization 30% or less. And you can earn the cash back because of the rewards. It's usually like 2% or something like that. You'll pay $0 in interest and you'll keep your credit score high. You track all your purchases, because if you don't, it's easy to lose track of them. And So when should you not use credit cards? If you've had credit card debt before, if you don't track your spending, you'll carry a balance from month to month. If you're not disciplined, debit cards are cool, cash is cool. Don't be ashamed if you don't have credit cards because you don't have the knowledge or the funds to handle them. It's all good. So next week we will start a new series. It's Debt Intelligence. And I'm going to show you the difference between good debt and bad debt and how to escape $10,000 in debt. You don't want to miss it. So don't forget to grab our free tools with the links in the description. Our wealth building calculator 30-day money challenge. And our 3-tool starter kit. But the wealth building calculator, I really like that one. And it's based on the wealth building budget system. All right. We'll see you in the next video.